Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how we can use the AutoCAD to create ellipse by 4-center method. Okay, first thing we need to do is making a center line. So go to center line and then create it for axis. I'm going to say the first major axis is 120 mil. 120 mil, if I got this point there, so click again. This point there, 120 mil, let's say 60 mil there, and going back 120. That will be the 120 mil. For the minor axis, we say 80 mil, 40 mil up and 80 mil down. That's 4 points. Let's give a name for that. Call point A, point B, point C, point D. And then we need to have a point O. We've got A, B, C, D, and O. Now what I'm going to do is from A to O, I draw a circle. So if I go to click on the circle and upon the center point and then stretch to here, I would like to call this point as P. And then I draw a line from A to C. I need to draw a circle from this point as a center point and to P. Got this point there, and let's call this point a Q. From Q point there, I'm going to draw 2 circles. So Q point, the radius I want to put 35. I'm coming here to draw 35 again. This one and this one there, you got 2 connections. That's point and point connected. This point and this point there will be, I got connect points from this line and this line there. And also I need to extend it. Go to extend this one all the way to this point. Not the D point. D point's in there, but this one there. Alright, let's shooting out a little bit longer. What I want to call now, this line there and connected to here, we call point 1. Say 1. And then this point there is a point 2. What I want to do is getting 3 and 4 done. So 3 is from here to there. I got this one there. I move this point to this point. Okay, so you can see this is 3 in there. Now I need to work out the point 4. Okay, point 4 is started from this point to point O. So if I select this one, and then I go to move, and then select this start point to O, and that's it. And I've got there at this point there. I go to C and move C down a little bit. Okay, I give a name for this point. I say this is 4. What I want to do is to connect the 1, 2, and 3, 4 line, point 4, point 1. Okay, then 1 to point 2, that's already done. Point 3 to point 4. Okay, so we connected 1, 2, and 3, 4. Now what I'm going to do is draw ellipse now. So I go all the points from point A to point 1, draw a circle, and cross over with these lines. Extend all these lines, this line. Okay, after extension, I'm going to draw the ellipse line. I would like to change the color so you can see a little bit clear. Go to the layer, find different colors, reference or dimension. I use the viewpoint, let's say viewpoints. Okay, so get that circle. And then I come to point 1 and connect it to point A. Let's change the color first. Right hand click, go to property. And this one there, I can select the red color. Okay, close. Escape. So now you can see the blue one connect to the red color. All I need is from here to here, these two lines connection. 3 and B. From 2 to C. And the last one, from 4 to D, is here. Alright. Now I use the trim function. That blue color is the ellipse we want to draw by 4 center method. So 4 center method, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Thank you for watching.